Our rock boom systems are high-strain composite structural members. These are thin carbon fiber composites that can be spooled onto a very tight package and packaged into a small volume in a satellite. They're all custom designed for the application and varying in construction depending on the structural and thermal requirements. The carbon fiber booms that we build are almost thermally inert. They don't move around when you heat them up and cool them down. And because of the low part count, they're cheaper to manufacture. They're easier to pass through our quality inspections, and ultimately lighter weight and higher performance for the amount of mass and volume that you're launching into a satellite.
This Air Force SBIR was our first flight program at the company, our first flight hardware that ever launched. 3 of them now on orbit. The first contract that really enabled us and gave us the security to hire an engineering team. We were about 6 people for this contract that put in place, and the spin-offs that we've had from it has enabled us to grow to 40+ people at the current time.
I'm an engineering intern here at Roccor, and I'm also a student at the University of Colorado Boulder. And they brought me in about 3 years ago to work on this Roccor deployer under the Air Force SBIR program. Having this experience definitely has helped me learn, and overall has made me a better engineer. I feel very fortunate that Roccor brought me in to work on this SBIR program for the Air Force.
This Air Force SBIR really is what got our company going. It was our first flight program, and it was our first program that went on orbit. We now have 3 systems in space right now thanks to this effort. And it enabled us to gain an engineering team, acquire a real physical space, and that really pushed us from a $1 million a year company to now a $6 million a year. We're going to add 15,000 square feet to our facility by the middle of this year.
The Air Force SBIR contract helped us to grow our company and add jobs, including the job for quality assurance or quality manager. We were able to use our experience with quality assurance on the SBIR contract in order to model the rest of our quality assurance processes and set up a system for the whole company.
The Air Force has been our strongest supporter, both in terms of dollars in the door and also truly engaged stakeholder support. But Roccor wouldn't be anything nearly like the company that is right now, and we wouldn't have spaceflight hardware in space. It's just the beginning of what we hope to be many generations of this kind of system that will deliver, hopefully, increasing capability to the warfighter.